This is A22 Physics 5, May 05, and it's question 3A. State what is meant by electromagnetic induction. So electromagnetic induction is of course a process by which you make electricity, and it happens whenever current, by which current is induced in a conductor when placed in a magnetic field. Which is changing. Part B. A solenoid with an iron core is connected to a battery through a switch. A filament lamp is connected in parallel with the solenoid as shown in figure 3.1. When the switch is closed, the intensity of the lamp increases to a steady glow. When the switch is opened, the lamp briefly glows steadily, more brightly than it previously glowed before going out. Use ideas and appropriate laws of electromagnetic induction to answer the following questions. Why does a lamp briefly glow when the switch is opened? Hint, remember that when the switch is opened, the current in the solenoid falls to zero. So the first bit there asks, why does the lamp briefly glow when the switch is opened? So when the switch is opened, the magnetic field around the solenoid decreases, so it decreases to zero. So therefore there's a situation where you have changing magnetic flux density. This induces a current in the circuit containing the bulb, and it glows more brightly. So changing magnetic flux density is the basis really there of Faraday's law, delta phi over delta t. And how much is induced depends on the rate of change of flux. So opening the switch takes a short period of time for a switch to be opened. Therefore, large change or large rate of change, should I say, rate of change of flux density. And therefore glows brightly. It induces a big EMF and it glows brightly. And so that's Faraday's law. And you can say that about Faraday's law. So try and get something in about the laws or the ideas. The laws even there to... You could also say something about Lenz's law, the fact that you're turning something off and yet it's causing an opposite kind of change in that there's a higher current in the bulb. You could say something about that too. The next part, why is this brief glow brighter than the lamp's initial steady glow? And the reason for that is because of the fact that when you open the switch, that takes a very short period of time. And therefore, Faraday's law, E is equal to delta phi over delta t minus delta phi over delta t. Rate of change of flux is large. So a large EMF is induced. And the EMF induced is larger than the actual supply. Okay, that's the end of that question.